With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So here we have to tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction, and we have to find the profit percent or loss percent in each case. So we'll be solving first part. In first part it is given to us that gardening shears bought for 200 rupees and sold for 325. So rupees 250 is our cost price and rupees 325 is our selling price. Okay, so we are solving a part. So cost price is rupees 250 and selling price is rupees 325. Obviously you can see that there is a profit as selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, so there is profit. Okay, so profit is given by selling price minus cost price, that is equals to rupees 325 minus 250. This is equals to rupees 75. Okay, and profit percentage is given by the formula. Profit percent is given by the formula, that is profit divided by cost price whole into 100. So our profit is equals to 75 and cost price is 250 into 100. Okay, so this will be 75 times of 100 is 7500 divided by 250. So from here 0 gets cancelled out. Okay, and 25 times of 30 is 750. Okay, so this is equals to 30%. That means there is a profit of 30%. Okay, so let us solve our second part. So in this we have been given that a refrigerator bought for 12,000 rupees. So that means this is our cost price and sold at rupees 13,500, and this is our selling price. So let us solve this. So this is our B part. So the cost price is rupees 12,000 and selling price is rupees 13,500. Obviously you can see that selling price is greater than cost price. That means there is profit. Okay, so let us find the profit. So profit is given by selling price minus cost price. This is equals to 13,500. Okay, rupees minus of 12,000. So this is equals to rupees 1,500. Now the formula for profit percent is given by profit divided by cost price whole into 100. So profit is 1,500 divided by, so cost price is 1,200. Okay, into 100. So here you can see that 0 gets cancelled out. So this is 12,000. Okay, so here you can see that 0 gets cancelled out with this and 10 is cancelled out with this. So this is equals to 150 by 12. So 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 6 is 12. 2 times of 7. Okay. 2 times of 75 is 150. So if I divide 75 by 6, then it will be 12.5%. That means there is a profit of 12.5%. Now we'll be solving C part. Now C part is given to us that a cupboard bought for 2500. Okay, so that means this is our cost price and sold at 3000, and this is our selling price. Okay, so let us solve this. So we are solving C part. So it is given to us that cost price of cupboard is cost price of cupboard is 2500. Okay, 2500 rupees, and selling price is rupees 3000. So here you can see that selling price is greater than cost price, so that means there is a profit. Okay, so the profit is given by profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. So this will be rupees of 3000 minus 2500. This is equals to rupees 500. Okay, now we'll be finding profit percent. So profit percent is given by the formula, that is profit by cost price whole into 100. So this is equals to profit is 500 divided by, and cost price is 2500 whole into 100. So this gets cancelled out with this. Okay, and as you know that 25 times of 20 is 500. Okay, so this is equals to 20%. That means there is profit of 20%. Now in fourth part, it is given to us that a skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. That is, so bought for 250 is our cost price and selling price is rupees 150. So let us solve this. So here we are solving D part. So here the cost price is 250 rupees. Okay, and selling price is rupees 150. Obviously you can see that selling price is less than cost price, so that means there is loss. Okay, so loss is given by cost price minus selling price, that is equals to rupees 250 minus 150. This is equals to rupees 100. Okay, and loss percentage is given by the formula, that is, so loss percent is given by the formula, that is loss divided by cost price whole into 100. So this is equals to losses of 100 rupees divided by cost price is 250 and into 100. So from here 0 gets cancelled out, and this is equals to 1000 divided by 25. Okay, so you know, as you know that 25 times of 40 is 1000. Okay, so this is equals to 40%. That means there is a loss of 40%. So this completes our solution.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.